Hello, welcome Cloudians. Have you ever wondered why AWS is still number one in cloud computing, even when big companies are competing? Let's unlock it quickly. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, started in 2006, and it allows companies to run servers, store data, build applications without physical machines. Instead of buying expensive hardware, you just use cloud resources and pay for only what you use. Simple, right? Okay, so let's see why AWS is still number one. Reason number one, early start. What happens if companies start earlier than everyone else? It gets more time to improve and get more trust. AWS starts before competitors like Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure. So many companies build their system in AWS. And here's the important part. Switching cloud is very hard. You have to move data, cloud architecture, and sometimes rebuild the system. So companies just stay with AWS. Makes sense, right? Second reason, huge number of services. AWS offers more than 200 services. But it's not just about number, it's about how they work together. So for example, EC2 gives virtual services, S3 stores your data, and RDS manage your database. You can connect all them to build a full system easily. And AWS also provide advanced things like serverless computing, where you don't even manage servers. So whether you are beginner or large company, AWS gives everything in one place. It's like a complete toolbox. Reason number three, global infrastructure. Let me ask you this. What if your app has users in different countries? AWS solves this problem by having regions and availability zones worldwide. Regions are locations like India, US, and inside every region there are availability zones. It can be two or more. These are separate data centers. If one fails, another one is keeping your app live. So your application is stay fast, reliable, and always available. This is very important for real world systems. Reason number four, big companies trust AWS. Companies like Netflix, Airbnb, Samsung handles millions of users via AWS. AWS provides strong security, monitoring tools, and auto scaling, so systems can grow when traffic increases. Now think about this. If big companies trust AWS, what do small companies? They will also trust. This creates a cycle where more and more companies use AWS. But AWS is not alone. Microsoft Azure is very strong in enterprises companies, especially those use Microsoft tools, and Google Cloud is growing fast with AI and data technologies. Some companies even use multiple cloud providers to reduce risk. So in the end, AWS is still number one, not just because of technology, but because of early start, powerful ecosystem, global infrastructure, and strong trust built over time. And now the real question is, do you think AWS will stay number one in future? Comment below.